guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got to look at these Nike SB Dunk Lows in the elephant print. Let's get into it. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into it. And there we go. I want that angelic sound playing. I can't believe I got a pair of Nike SB Dunk Lows. This is our first pair of Dunk Lows this year. We have done the review of the staple SB Dunks, but in the year of 2020, where so many great SB Dunks have come out, the Grateful Deads, the Travis Scott, the Chunky Dunkies, I'm so happy I was able to get at least one pair, and it is unofficially the Atmos pair, which I will show you as to why. It's because of the elephant print, but we'll get into details when I do the unboxing. But let's all agree that 2020, despite it being a horrible year, it's been the year of the SB Dunks. Everyone's been trying to get a pair of SB Dunks. Unfortunately, I don't know anyone that got the Ben & Jerry's or the Travis Scotts, but I keep seeing them on the IG, keep seeing them on the vlogs. I'm so jealous, and I'm just happy that I was able to get of these elephant print, the Atmos pair. It's the come up really, so I want to thank N Clothing when I saw that notification. When I woke up yesterday morning, felt blessed. Now let's get into the review. We'll start with the details. So we've got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in medium grey, clear jade, and we got this in a US 8.5, it's a European 42, and it's a UK 7.5. And here we go. Oh, wow. Amazing. It's just clean, so clean. And if you're wondering if it comes with another pair of laces, it comes with these nice grey ones. I wish they were the jade colour green to go with the swoosh, but it's neither here nor there. We'll start with the outsole, as we always do out here at Oneupreviewz. And with this outsole, you've got a typical Dunk outsole, but this time it's an SB Dunk, so you've got the little collar palette right there in the middle, slap bang, and it's in that jade with the Nike SB logo. Great traction. Obviously this are used to skate in, so it's there to grip on your grip tape. If you go along the midsole area, it's a midsole that's encapsulated with a Nike Air Zoom bubble that's all around in here for that nice cushion support. Obviously you're going to be doing these tricks. I wish I could do a kickflip. I wish I could do those drops that they do, like the big skaters, but unfortunately I'm not that great a skater. I can barely ride one. And we go to the main details, and that is the elephant print. Now these sneakers have been unofficially dubbed the Atmos elephant pair, and that is because of the Air Max 1 Atmos that came out in 2017. What a great pair. Similar color blocking, which this adopted with the elephant print here on the forefoot and at the back and the heel. If you look at the toe box area, it's a pleather. It doesn't feel like a real leather, with perforations, the nice outlays of that elephant print. It just reminds me not only of the Atmos Air Max 1, where this sneaker got its colorway from, but the Supreme ones and those Supreme Dunk Lows, that elephant and blue print. Wow, amazing pair of sneakers. That jade swoosh right there on the medial and lateral side. Let's go there. So clean, really is, and it's a patent leather as well, so it's got that added sheen. Typical normal lacing system, crisscross, how you like it. That SB Dunk tongue that is padded for your protection and comfort, along with the nice added support that's around the collar there. Nicely padded, built for skating. What more do you want? You just want to avoid breaking ankles. The insole, it has the Nike SB logo with the Zoom Air, which these sneakers have, as I mentioned before, for that cushioning. Zoom Air, I mean, that was used on a lot of the Jordans from 12 onwards, and LeBron uses it for his sneakers as well. So it's great to see basketball and the world of skating just meshing together. Obviously these were birthed 15 years ago when the SB Dunks were just flying off the shelves, and they continued to do so. Although 10 years ago they were sitting, which sucks, but it's great to see the SB Dunk have their limelight. They have their time to shine again, and I'm not going to see it die down anytime soon because of Travis Scott, because of the limited quantities coming out. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm so blessed to get such a pair, and such a nice pair. I'm sorry if I feel like I'm rubbing it in, but I'm so happy. And I can't wait to try these on just to see what it looks like on feet, tell you how it fits, tell you the comfort, etc. So we'll do that right now. Let's go. When it comes to the fit, guys, get your true Nike fit. Mine is a UK 7.5, so that's what I usually get for my Nikes. Reflects well on the Nike SB Dunks, as you can see. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time.